let's see what we can get for breakfast today. Is it good?
Yeah, really good.
Wow.
Best in Kuala.
Yes.
Welcome to Kuala Lumpur. In this video series, I'll take you along over the next few weeks in the big city, what type of life you could be living there, the first impressions, cost of living, and so much more. Good morning. Welcome back to Kuala Lumpur. So it's a nice, easygoing Sunday morning. Got Bianca over here.
Hi guys.
Getting a bit hungry.
Super hungry right now.
So it's gonna be a bit of a morning mission to get some Malaysian food. We haven't properly tried anything yet, and I got a bit of a recommendation. It's supposed to be close to some type of bird park, a little bit walk outside of the city. So we're walking by the palace here, the Sultan I showed you in a previous one. Like seriously, I was just walking by and just saying Kuala Lumpur is such a scenic city in many ways. Was this guy calling my name in the car?
I just heard he said something.
No? So we got nice tourist buses walking by. Alright. Nice. Can you help a sec? So guys, we are gonna be taking a taxi, kind of like a last minute decision. It's a bit of a cloudy day, but somehow super hot already in the morning. Celsius Live Fit, so it's kind of like a monster, I would say. Oh no, it's not.
I think our car is here.
It's basically like a caffeinated drink, but it's like tea. It's more like tea.
Ah,
So a nice energy drink.
okay. Oh yeah.
Pretty good.
Sour and sweet.
End of the hour. And so, let's see what we can get for breakfast today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay,
thank you so much.
Okay.
Bye-bye. We arrived to our place for today. So what is it called? Nasi Lemak Tangling. And you know, usually I don't like to go to places where you kind of have to stand in line. But we came here, and honestly, you know, they said it's famous and they weren't lying. So you definitely get what you came for. So here is quite, I would say, somewhat significant line. This man is going in with the music, and I would say we're not skipping all the line, but we are gonna get a little bit of a glimpse here. Wow, the portions looks quite solid. So this is the food that we're making here. Wow, the business must be going well. I like it. Is it good?
Yeah, really good.
Wow.
Best in Kuala.
All right. Well, it's the best in KL. You heard the man. Let's see. Alrighty guys, we are getting ahead in the line here, and it looks like they already got a lot of meals going here, and I have to say it looks much better than I expected. Just such big portions, so saucy. And the best part is when you come to a place when you're almost starved, like literally last night I only had a small dinner, generally troubling right now. Some people probably have noticed I've been leaning down nicely, kind of involuntary intermittent fasting with walking. So there's this guy singing in the background. As much as all right, it's our time, let's go. Bianca is gonna be ordering right now. Can I also have do you have ayam goreng?
Ayam gulai this one.
Okay, what is this one?
Ayam Bali.
Ayam Bali, okay. I think I will have the ayam Bali.
Okay.
Yes.
Breast?
Do you have a leg? Maybe?
Just breast.
That's okay. Okay, thank you so much. No drink. 20? Okay. There you go.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you. How much did you pay?
11.
I paid 20. Oh yeah. Okay, so we sat down a little bit further in the back. Got all our nice food here, ordered some bit more iced tea. So I have to say, even for $4, this might be too, but I feel like it's a pretty good choice of one for. So some fried chicken. At first I asked him, he's like, they don't have any, but I found it. They were hiding it from me, but you can't. So here we're looking at like a little bit of fish, peanuts. I think this is beef. Bali chicken they call. Let's see. So we're gonna go in. Okay, so I would say let's go in and let's try some of that good stuff here. I mean, the beef I would say looks the best. Most people eat here just with hands, which I probably prefer. Oh my god.
Wow, it looks so soft.
It's not actually. So I'm gonna go in for that.
Light chicken, light
Nice.
curry. Yeah, that'll be good.
Alright. To finish up the whole thing, I got dirty. I went in. So I have to say, I expected it to be good, but this is like so good. I really went in for all the different options. And one thing I have to say, the fish and the peanuts. It adds a unique flavor to it. If I take too much, I probably cannot even like swallow it. It's just super salty. I think with a little bit of rice, a few peanuts, nice interesting flavor. Left a few of the fish on the side. Probably could have used a bit more rice to use up all the sauce, but what is it, even for $4, amazing value. If you want to have the real value deal, you have to go in like Bianca, get for $2 everything you want. And the Bali chicken, I would say, is my favorite part. So good. Perfect. How was your meal?
It was so good, seriously. Especially the chicken. Look, I finished everything. It's super soft, so it's very easy to peel off with your fork.
Is that what you say finished? What about the bone and
honestly, I don't
the
really
white
like this.
stuff?
No,
Come on. I finished all of it. If I finish it, there's only like half a bone left.
That's true. I don't want to use my hand. That's the thing. People here, a lot of people actually using hands to eat. It is quite nice, but I don't know. If I'm home, I can, but if I'm outside, I cannot. So that's why I left the bones.
5 each or?
For each. No, for two.
For 2? 5? Okay, let's see.
$5.
Okay.
Where did you guys come from?
Germany.
Oh, Germany.
I grew up in Germany,
Oh.
yeah. 1,
You
2,
come for how many days?
3, 4, 1 month.
1 month.
Yeah, pretty much. 5. Let's do 7. Thank you so much.
5 one.
7 is good. Thank you so much. Bye bye. We're all good. Thank you.
Take 5 money.
Yeah, 5 and 2 on top. All right. Thank you. Yeah.
Oh.
So walking down the street, took a little bit the iced tea with us, and I have to say, you know, just the journey of coming here. Always, I looked it up, and online it looked like whatever, but I thought, you know, if they say it's famous, it's good, we'll be all right. But it was actually really good, really fresh
Well,
food.
they have this like recipe from 1948.
So as of right now, I'm just gonna walk down a little bit, and you know, every video, that is the common theme right now. I find the one favorite building in every city I go to. You know, in Jakarta, it has been this blue Wisma thing.
Yes.
In where have I been before? And oh, I didn't have like one favorite building in the Philippines actually.
How dare you?
Could not remember of one sticking out. They have also a very nice skyline. But here in KL, it's quite easy right now. The Petronas Towers are probably still my favorite building, but this one is kind of like that gets the most attention. This is like, you know, like the side business that is going on, and look at it. Just the thing about it is that no matter where you are, like in somewhat fairly close proximity to it, it always looks pretty huge. You see it from all over the city. And here you see the panels, like they're still finishing it.
Yes.
So the Independence building, Merdeka. And here we're gonna walk down. When we were driving towards here, we saw some type of, like, I don't know, maybe it's a university, maybe it's a palace. It's hard to say here. But yeah, I'm not sure if we can walk all the way because we're kind of like with highways here.
Yeah, we'll try just to explore this area a little bit.
Yeah, so basically it's just kind of like a few levels up from the city. I think the easiest way to get there is by taxi, and if you want to check it out, I'm sure there's going to be some questions in the comments. I'll make sure to have the name of the place in this footage, and then if you just type it in on Google, you can find it. And I would say if you're looking for like a local experience, and according to the locals, it's the best in town, and they're definitely onto something. I mean, I haven't tried it everywhere in town yet. That was the only place, but it was good. So
Yeah, and also I honestly think Taxi in Malaysia is quite cheap, right?
Yep.
Yeah, compared to like Thailand, it's
Yep.
still like quite cheap here. So
I feel
don't worry
like-
about it.
Yeah, I feel like in some ways KL is priced like average, like not very cheap when it comes to maybe like fruits, veggies, things like that.
Yeah.
At least in supermarket, maybe still need to find, I'll make a cost of living video, but in terms of things like taxi, one of the cheapest places in the world. I mean, like Eastern Europe pricing, like for $2 you can get across town. That's what we paid right now.
Yeah, and also the other day we tried to take this MRT, and they were like,
Yeah.
can we have 2 tickets? They were like, we have a free coin, just take it.
Yeah.
I'm like, what?
Yeah, somehow we took the MRT for free. Yeah, all right, approaching this building, let's see what is here in this area. Okay, so walking in here, we saw there is some type of museums, a mosque. So yeah, fair enough, that looks like it. But then I'm looking at this building, and actually earlier with a taxi we drove by here as well, like, wow, is this a palace? What is this? Look at it, guys. It's here again, the future in the back, the past right here. So what is it? Is it maybe a museum? It is a little bit like, you know, they haven't like maintained it too crazy well, to be fair. It is the train station. At least that's what it says. Should we cross? Let's see.
Yeah, well, what is this? There's like a...
Oh yeah, there we go, underground crossing. Let's say we don't have to break all the rules here. No, wow, this is fascinating. I mean, I absolutely love when they have like old buildings. Like if you maintain them just a little bit, that's nice, but even in this state, like I just feel the history. I just feel how, you know, you can just stand here and just imagine how people were walking in here. I don't know, probably
Wait,
more
I
than
think
100
it's
years ago.
abandoned.
It looks abandoned, to be fair.
Look.
Yeah. Oh. Okay, we definitely cannot walk here. Maybe not abandoned. I would say it's probably just closed. There's a 18 March. Maybe they closed it. Maybe something with COVID. I don't know. But let's at least walk over and let's see what's up, because that just looks so freaking cool. It's huge, this building.
It's huge.
I mean, definitely the train railway is running behind it. Yeah, my guess is they probably moved the actual train station to somewhere else, and this used to be the train station. Maybe some of you guys know. But yeah, this is one of the little spontaneous finds that you get when you just roam around a little bit outside of the city center. These buildings are absolutely everywhere. And let's go. Nice and careful. So. And so, crossing over here, just coming in, you know, when you come closer, definitely this is not operating. Now, they do have a nice executive lounge. It's definitely, at least the name. Let's see. Business hours, including public holiday. Yeah, I don't think we can go in here. Yeah, this is definitely a band. No? Inside it's all operating. So I don't know if this is like a local train throughout the city or also throughout the country, but how cool is that? Probably from the other side is more like the main entrance type. But yeah, this is the train station here. So there goes the train. The train is operating, but let's see if KFC is open right now. So I think KFC is not open today. Wow. Probably has not been open for a while. Look at that logo. Old school. Vintage. Oh, shit.
Oh,
The door is still working good.
it's open.
Yeah. Welcome.
KFC's open.
Okay, so that has been a little bit of a nice Sunday morning walk through KL, kind of a different part. Always nice to get a bit of a better feeling, a bit of a better idea of how the city is structured. And yeah, definitely enjoying my time in KL a lot. There will be also a few videos wrapping out the cost of living, the pros and cons. Maybe I'll compare KL to a city like Dubai in terms of living. So right now, just ordered a taxi, gonna be going to the city center. So if you're new here by any chance, my name is Dan, and for the past 5 years I've been documenting my life here around the topic of building a life of freedom around the world. And KL has been definitely so far a very good time. So you can also connect me on Instagram if you want to see where I am right now. It's also the best way to get in touch with me. But on that note, you too got a world to see.